Have a look at these beautiful Wolkberg dwarf chameleons, Bradypodium transvalensis, and I'm super happy I found these guys. We're here in Heidelberg for a few days, and luckily I managed to see these guys. Have a look at that long tail. This is a male right here and a female right here. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of a color difference. Your males are usually more brighter and colorful than the females. The males also have a hemipenal bulge right here, which your females lack. Now, cool thing about dwarf chameleons are they're viviparous, which means they give live birth. Now, these guys prefer humid areas, so you usually find these guys near waterways, river systems, drainage systems, where they'll hunt all sorts of flying insects like grasshoppers, flies, midges, all sorts of other beetles. Female isn't too happy to see him, as chameleons are usually solitary, but with dwarf chameleons you can often expect to find more when you find one. These guys are found around 10 meters from each other, and they're absolutely beautiful. Now you find these guys in Mpumalanga, parts of the Drakensberg, southern parts of Soutpansberg, and in northern parts of Limpopo. Just have a look at these beautiful animals, the Wolkberg dwarf chameleons.